Good morning students. Last time we studied tenses. Now we are going to study change the voice. There are two types of voices. One is active voice and second one is passive voice. So in passive voice there are 8 tenses only. So we are going to see format of first active voice. What is active voice? Generally subject plus verb plus object or complement, but here we will see object. Then passive voice, object plus helping verb plus V3 and then plus by subject plus object or complement. Okay, sorry, complement or remaining part. Now let us see here, we have to take help of helping verb, and here subject, instead of subject, object become here subject, means object coming first, and then we have to take helping verb and then V3, and then by is going on the place of object. Okay, then by subject, here will come like that. This format is like that. Now let us see first tense, present tense. Okay, simple present tense. First type is simple present tense. Now let us see in active voice, she writes a letter. Here is she, third person pronoun, so here to verb, because it is singular, the S is coming, S or ES. Now here write, so S came here. Okay, she writes a letter. Now what will be the passive constructions? First we will see, a letter is, here is subject, this one verb, and this one is object. Now instead of subject, first letter will come here, object. So what will come here? A letter. Now here is present tense, simple present tense. So helping verb will come here, am, is, are. To be verb, am, is, are. Now a letter is singular, so here will come is. A letter. Now what is the V3 of write? Is written. So is helping verb and then V3 is coming. So writes, V3 is written. Written. Is written. Then what will come here? By. Written by. Instead of she, objective form is coming. So here will come her. Okay. Now what will become? Passive constructions of this sentence. A letter is written by her. Okay. Let us see second type, present continuous or progressive tense. Continuous is again calling progressive tense. Continuous लाच काय म्हणतात परत? Progressive tense म्हणतात. Okay. Now again see example of present continuous tense. What will coming here? You know, there is friendship between to be's verb and ing means before. So to be's verb is here and then writing a letter. Okay. Then what will come here? Let us see. First we will, a object will come here, a letter. Then a letter. Then again a letter, present tense to be's verb will come again here, is. Okay, is already here, but a letter is also third person noun. Okay, so is will come here. Now instead of writing, means here will come being. Is being to be's verb. Okay, friendship between be to be's verb and so being we have taken, because we have to take here written again. So being we have done here and here will come written. A letter is being written, then again by her. Okay, did you understand what is the passive constructions? Is being written by her. So object came here, a letter, then is came here, and रायटिंग इज कंटिन्यूअस टेन्स, सो हिअर केम बीइंग. इथे बीइंग आलेलं आहे आणि रिटन, कारण आपण दोन्हीही एकदम करू नसतो शकलं, रायटिंग अँड रिटन, अँड वी वॉन्ट हिअर रिटन, सो वी हॅव टेकन हिअर अगेन बीइंग. नाउ लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स. Now here again active construction is she. A for active construction. She has written a letter. So has written, that is perfect tense. Now what will be the construction? In passive construction, a letter. Later, then again present tense. So has will come here. We not make changes here in tenses. We have to remain same. A letter has. Now we want again V3. And before that again we have to take to be verb. So here we will take been, has been written by her. Instead of she, what will come here? By her. Again here what came? Has been written. In continuous tense we have taken extra being. Okay, ing is there. Here we have taken been, again V3, and written also. So has been written by her. Now fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. Active voice, she has been writing a letter. Okay, has been writing a letter. But in passive constructions in voice there is no changes. Okay, no passive constructions of these tense, present perfect continuous tense. So these are only three. One, two, three. Okay, प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेन्सची पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन होत नाही. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स सेकंड, पास्ट टेन्स. नाउ सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स. Now here active voice is she wrote a letter. Here writes a letter, V1. Now here is V2. Again subject, object, subject verb plus object. Now here we will take first a letter. Object become here as like subject, a letter. Then now here is V2. So what will be the to be's verb here? In to be's verb in past tense is was were. Okay, so here this subject is singular, means object became as like subject. So what will come here? Here was. Then again V3 of this one, written. Written. Then by subject, so by she, it become objective form, her. So again what will be the was written. Okay, a letter, then was written, V3 of this one, and by her. Subject form का क्या हुआ यहाँ? her. Now second one is past continuous or progressive tense. What is the active voice sentence? She was writing a letter. What is here? Was writing. Okay, this one is past continuous tense. Now what will come here? Again a letter became here subject, object is a letter. A letter. Then this one is past tense, so to be's verb will come here, was. Then writing continuous tense, so here we have to take being. And then V3 of this one, main verb, writing, written. Written by her. Now we will see past perfect tense. Okay, now she had written a letter. This one is past tense, so to have verb came here, had. And perfect tense, so V3. Now had written, to have verb and V3, there is friendship between them. Okay, so here came she had written a letter. Now how we will transfer it into passive constructions? What will come? A letter. This one is object, letter is object. We have taken first object, a letter. Now here what will come? Again past tense, so here will come again had. Then we have to take here been and then written. Okay, means had as it is, then written as it is, because V3 we have to take, and instead of that been we have taken, been written by her. Okay, had written by her. Okay, now let us see past perfect continuous tense. Continuous means again progressive, past perfect continuous tense. Now what is the example? In active, she had been writing a letter. Had been writing a letter. Now in passive constructions, no passive constructions. So again, here again you have to remember past perfect continuous tense of future also. There is no passive construction. Now in future tense, in past tense also, and in future tense also same. In present tense also same. Now third one is future tense. Then again first type is simple future tense. Again what is the example here? She will write a letter. Again this a letter is object, she is subject. So first we will take a letter, then a letter will. Okay, what will come here again? Will be. We have to take be, then written, then by subject, by her. Okay, did you understand, students? A letter will be written by her. A letter, then subject, main tense is will, so will came here, and to be's were be and V3, written by her. Now in future continuous tense, continuous progressive tense, continuous लाच progressive म्हणतात, ठीक आहे. She will be writing a letter. We have taken already will be writing a letter. Again in passive construction there is no passive constructions of this. Okay, act means in future continuous progressive tense there is no passive construction. Let us see again third one. Third one is future perfect tense. So here is in active is she will have written a letter. Will have written a letter. Now what we have to take? A letter. A letter, then what will come here? Will have. We have to take again here been, and then written V3. A letter written by she, instead of here will come her. So we have taken again helping verb here been. Will have been written. Okay, will have been written by her. Now future perfect continuous tense. Again in active voice, she will have been writing a letter. Will have been writing a letter. That is the example of future perfect continuous tense. Again here is no passive construction. Did you understand, dear students? आपको समझा क्या? चार पहले प्रेजेंट टेंस के 4 टाइप्स है, देन पास्ट टेंस के 4 टाइप्स है, अगेन फ्यूचर टेंस के 4 टाइप्स है. बट इन पैसिव कंस्ट्रक्शंस पहले 3 जो है प्रेजेंट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, देन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, सॉरी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, या 3 याचा पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन होतो आणि जो चौथा आहे त्याचं पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन होत नाही. तो चौथा कोणता आहे? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. तो तो एक मायनस झाला, ठीक आहे. म्हणजे प्रेझेंट टेन्सचे फक्त 3 टाइप्स झाले. ओके, देर आर ओनली 3 टाइप्स इन पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस. देन अगेन पास्ट टेन्स, सेम. सिंपल, which one? Simple past tense. Then again second one is past continuous tense and third one is past perfect tense. या तिघांचं पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन होतं. आणि जो चौथा आहे पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, याचं पण पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स होत नाही. म्हणून प्रेझेंट टेन्समधले 3 झाले, पास्ट टेन्समधले 3 झालेत, 3 + 3 6. आणि फ्युचर टेन्समध्ये परत सिंपल फ्युचर टेन्स आणि फक्त फ्युचर परफेक्ट टेन्सचं पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स होतं. इथे पण हा फ्युचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, देर आर नो एनी कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स, नो पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स ऑफ दिस फ्युचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस. बट हियर अगेन वन इज एक्स्ट्रा, दॅट इज future continuous tense. Again here is no passive construction. So future tense there are only 2, means 3 + 3 is 6 and these 2, so there are only 8 tenses in passive voice. Did you understand, students? Thank you. Bye bye.